In this video, I'm going to quickly cover how to create a new virtual hard disk. There's actually a number of ways this can be done. As part of actually a virtual machine configuration, for example, if I just take any virtual machine, and if I select a controller, I can add a hard drive. And when I do this add action, I actually have the option right here to go and create a new virtual hard disk. Or I can use the edit disk action to modify an existing one, or use the new and select hard disk. So this is going to allow me to create a new hard disk. I can select the VHD or VHDX format. Remember, I can use VHDX if this is only for Windows 2012 or above, and I don't need compatibility at present time with Windows Azure, because currently, as of January 2014, Windows Azure does not support VHDX. So I would have to use VHD. But if I don't need that, and if I want the biggest, most feature rich, I would use VHDX. I select the type. Fixed would pre-allocate all space up front. Dynamic only creates and allocates space as I actually write data into that VHD or VHDX file. And differencing creates a parent-child relationship with an existing disk, and then only the changes, the new writes, go to this new differencing disk I'm created. Most of the data lives within its parent disk. So that's very useful, for example, in a virtual desktop environment where I have a gold image of, let's say, Windows 8, and I want to create 100 VMs. Well, I would create a differencing disk for each of those 100 VMs, because then it would only contain the specialization data about that particular VM out of that 100. All of the main OS and the applications could live in that gold image. If I select dynamically expanding, I give it a name and location. I give it a maximum size. So this is its size, but for dynamic, it only allocates it, remember, as you write to it. So I say I'll just create a 40 gig drive and finish. And then what that's doing, if I now go and look in there, I can see that new hard drive. And note, this is only 4 megabytes, so there's no data in it right now. Now I can also do all of that with PowerShell. So as here, I can create a new VHD, a fixed. I create one here that's dynamic. I create one that's a differencing disk. This is the new disk I'm creating. And then that's the parent disk that I'm actually using. And of course, I can just delete things as normal. So it's very, very simple to do all of this management with PowerShell as well. And that completes the quick lesson on creating a virtual hard disk.